Practical number 3, we have to write Python program which are using loops. First program, we have to print all the prime numbers inside an interval. Prime number is a natural number greater than 1 and it is divisible by 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on are prime number because they are divisible by 1 and themselves only. Starting with the program, we are taking a range from the user for which we have to find prime number. So in the first statement, using input, we are prompting the user to enter the lower value for the range. User will enter a number that will be treated as a string. That string is converted into an integer and stored in lower variable. For example, user enters 1 was a string. Using int, it is converted into an integer and stored in lower variable. Similarly, using input, we are asking a user to enter upper value of the range. So user entered 20 was treated as a string. Using input, it is converted into an integer and stored in upper variable. Then we are running a loop so that we can traverse through 1 to 20. So for that purpose, we are writing a for loop. A index variable means num, which will run inside the range. So range function is generating a value between 1 to 20. How? Range lower, which is treated as 1, upper value is 20 plus 1 will be 21. So it will run from 1 to last index minus 1 means 1 to 20. Step size is 1 means it will increment by 1. So your range function will generate a value 1, 2, 3, 4 till 20. So every number inside the range will be tested for this logic. What is the logic? If the number is greater than 1, then only it will be checked whether from 2 to num minus 1 it is divisible by any number. If it is divisible, we will break. We will not treat that number as a prime number. Otherwise, we will print that number. For example, if I is 5, so from 2 to 4, we will check 5 divided by 2, no. 5 divided by 3, no. 5 divided by 4, no. This for loop runs completely. We go to the else part and we print the number 5 will be printed. For num 6 is greater than 1, 6 in range, for I in range 2 to num, so it will run from 2 to num minus 1 which is 5. So 6 divided by 2, yes, condition satisfied. We break and go to the next number 7. 7 is greater than 1, yes. We will enter the for loop where I is running from 2 to num minus 1. So 7 divided by 2 is equal to 0, fail. 7 divided by 3 is equal to 0, fail. 7 divided by 4, fail. 7 divided by 5, fail. 7 divided by 6, fail. This for loop runs completely. Therefore, we go to the else block and print now the number 7. Similarly, this process will run till 20 and print all the numbers in the interval 1 to 20. Click on the cell and run the cell. We cross check the logic. We give the lower range value as 1, upper range value as 20. It will print all the prime numbers between 1 and 20, which are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. That's it for this program, wherein we have seen how to print all the prime numbers within a range. Logic which we have applied is number should be greater than 1 and it should not be divisible between 2 to num minus 1. If these both conditions are satisfied, then only we are printing the number. Otherwise, we are skipping the number in the interval. Thank you.